Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report an issue with the delivery on DoorDash app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and report that something's missing or maybe the food is off. How do you actually go ahead and report that issue on the DoorDash app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Orders. Now, this is the really important step, guys. You want to click on Receipt next to the restaurant which you're having an issue with. So let's take this Archie's Thai restaurant, for example. Click on Receipt, then click on Help on the upper right hand corner. And then on this is where you can actually report the issue. So whether there's an issue with the items or a problem with the delivery or something else. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report an issue with the delivery on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.